Christmas has come early this year for this customer and some of you. We had some great news this week from Tesla. Tesla are actually going to start reimbursing you up to £750 for having a Tesla Powerwall 3 or expansion pack installed. The offer is £375 off a Powerwall 3 or expansion pack up to a maximum of £750 per customer. This means you can either have a Powerwall 3, an expansion, or even 2 expansions to qualify for the full £750. All you need to do to qualify is order a Powerwall 3 or expansion pack between the 1st of December and the 31st of March. As long as those products are installed before the 31st of May, you'll be eligible for the refund. You can register online with Tesla directly and they will send you the prepaid Visa credit card with the value on up to £750. As if the Tesla Powerwall 3 and expansion pack wasn't already desirable enough, make the most of this offer before March 31st, 2026.